Hello friends, hope you are doing fine and welcome to our Your Awesome channel. In this video, we are going to talk about our part of the region. Actually, we are from the most beautiful part of India. We are from Northeast India. We belong to the BODO tribe of Assam state. First, tell us, what have you heard about Northeast India? I guess you might have heard about floods, rhino, oil, maybe tea, or maybe about terrorism. Well, yes, unfortunately, they are still there. But terrorism has reduced in many parts of Northeast India. In fact, we haven't heard about any major clash between army and local terrorism group. And we support our government and motherland. We support peace, development, and prosperity. In fact, have you heard about recent historic BODO settlement agreement? Under this agreement, more than 1,600 armed militants formally laid down arms and joined the mainstream. Well, it was a big news for us in Northeast region in the month of January and February 2020. During this time, even our Prime Minister of India visited Kokrajhar, a small town in Assam. We also want to inform that Northeast region consists of 8 different states. They are known as 7 sisters and 1 brother. These states are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Tripura. Well, you will be surprised to know that although we look very similar to each other, but the northeastern part of India is one of the most culturally diverse regions of the world. In fact, it is inhabited by more than 200 different tribes. Yes, you heard it right, 200 different tribes. That also means more than 200 different languages are spoken in this part of the region. Each tribe has their own customs and rituals. Now, allow us to share at least 10 amazing facts about Northeast region. Did you know? Fact number 1. Arunachal Pradesh is where the sun can be seen first in India. Arunachal Pradesh is known as the land of rising sun for all the right reasons. Arunachal Pradesh, being the easternmost state, witnesses the first ray of sun in India. However, being very precise, Dong village in Anjou district is the place to receive the second ray of sun on the planet after Japan. Fact number 2. Assam has the largest and smallest river islands in the world. An unknown fact about Assam is that it is the home to some of the biggest and smallest river islands in the world, where Majuli Island is the world's biggest river island, and the Umananda Island is believed to be the world's smallest inhabited island, and it is nestled right in the middle of river Brahmaputra. Fact number 3. Golden, or you can say Muga silk, is not produced anywhere else in the world other than Assam. The golden treasure of Assam, which goes by the name Muga silk, is golden in color and is sold at a high price in the market, making it a major contributor to the state's economy. Discovered first time during the Ahom dynasty in the 13th century. Fact number 4. The world's largest weaving village is in Assam. Sualkuchi is the world's largest weaving village. It is said that every household in the village is directly associated with weaving exotic silk fabrics. The main silk that is weaved here is the famous Muga silk, and it is estimated around over 19,000 people are involved in weaving in this town alone. You can easily call it as a textile or handloom center of Northeast India. Fact number 5. Assam is a safe haven for one-horned rhinos, tigers, leopard, and India's biggest wild buffaloes. In fact, recently, special golden tiger was discovered in the Kaziranga National Park. One of the most amazing facts about Northeast India is that it has provided safe haven to many endangered and exotic species of plants and animals in India. One such example is one-horned rhinos, which are declared critically endangered yet thriving in Kaziranga National Park in Assam. Kaziranga is believed to have the largest one-horned rhino population in the world. Also, do you know world's 70% varieties of orchids are found in Northeast India? Northeast India produces the maximum number of bamboo in India. Mizoram is known as Bamboo Queen of the country. Assam produces maximum number of bamboo per year. Bamboo is known as green gold. In fact, bamboo is more profitable than rice, sugarcane, or even rubber plantation. Fact number 6. There is world's only modest-run market in Manipur. Also known as Aima Kaitel, the modest market is one of its kind, solely led and operated by mothers. This market is probably the only woman-led market in Asia and probably in the world. From grocery shopping to buying local handicrafts, this market is an ideal place to visit for shopping in Northeast India. Manipur is also famous for Thang-ta, a form of 2500 years old deadly martial arts, and even polo sports was invented in Manipur. Fact number 7. Meghalaya has the only matriarchal society of India. The northeastern state of Meghalaya has matriarchal society, where women are the decision makers in the society as well as households. The Khasi tribe is the one to practice this, where women are the breadwinners of the families. In the tribe, if a female child is born, it is followed by a celebration, and if it's a son, the society accepts it humbly as the god's gift. Breaking the gender stereotypes, Khasi tribe has shown that there is no shame in role reversal in the household, while still respecting both the genders. Fact number 8. World's whitest place is in Meghalaya. Ram in Meghalaya is the whitest place in the planet, and it experiences an average annual rainfall of 11,871 millimeters. Earlier, the same record was in the name of Sirapunji, which is also situated in the state of Meghalaya. Meghalaya is also one of the most famous tourist places. Fact number 9. Nagaland holds the record of the world's largest electric guitar ensemble. On January 2013, Nagaland made its name in Guinness Book of World Records with 368 participants at the Agro Expo ground to the tunes of song Knocking on Heaven's Door. In Nagaland alone, there are 17 major tribes and 36 languages. Yes, 36 languages are spoken there, and in fact, in India, we have 29 states in total. Fact number 10. Sikkim wasn't a part of India until 1975. It is sometimes hard to believe that Sikkim hasn't always been the part of the Republic of India. The Kingdom of Sikkim was founded by the Nangyal dynasty in the 17th century, and it became a princely Indian state in the year 1890. However, after India gained independence, Sikkim enjoyed the status of a protectorate. However, it wasn't until 1975 that Sikkim joined the Republic of India. Sikkim is the first 100% organic state in the world. This should be a proud moment for us. None of the farmers depend upon on any kind of pesticides or fertilizer to produce their food grains. Fact number 11. Tripura is home to the only floating palace in Northeast. Tripura is one of the most underrated tourist destinations in India. But if you visit this heavenly state, you will be greeted by numerous forts and palaces belonging to the royal family of the state. However, one port which takes the crown in Mahal, which is the only floating palace in the entire northeast region, built by King of Tripura, Bir Vikram Kishore Manikya in 1938. The palace is an exhibition of the royal heritage and glorious past. Both Tripura and Mizoram have the highest literacy rate in Northeast India. In fact, Tripura holds the number of position 94.65% in India, and its literacy rate is even higher than Kerala. Fact number 12. Each tribe in Northeast India makes some of the best liquors in the country. These are distinct in taste, and if you dream of testing them, visiting the Northeast India is the only way. And almost 70% of Northeast India's terrains are covered by hills. This is just a small effort from our team to inform you about some interesting facts about Northeast India. Hope you have liked today's video and understood the topic well. If you have any question related to the topic, you can comment below. Thanks for your support and love, and always remember, you're awesome!